our dear uncle, the former governor of Kano State. He is also accompanied by the Deputy National Chairman of APC of the North, as well as the National Vice Chairman of our great party, the Northwest. Again, we have the National Organizing Secretary of APC, who is also here. My dear brother, the State Chairman of APC, Kano, is also here with us. We have the Minister of State of FCT, who is also a proud indigene of Kano State, is here with us as well. Of course, we have two of the greatest legends from the House. One of them is now in the Senate, and is no other than Senator Kawu Sumaila, who has just also identified with APC and is wearing the proper cap that befits his head. We have our senior brother, a man we are very proud of, an accomplished parliamentarian, Right Honorable Farouk Lawal. I'm sure members who are new, we may not know him in person, today have the opportunity to see our legendary Farouk Lawal in the chamber. You're welcome, sir. Honorable colleagues, it's my pleasure and privilege to read a letter sent to me for your consideration. And the letter is sent from no other than Honorable Oluwole Oke. It's a letter with your kind permission, I will read. He said, "Dear Mr. Speaker, letter of resignation as a member of the People's Democratic Party and request for access into plenary by national and Osun State party leaders of the All Progressive Congress." The main body of the letter reads as follows. Further to my notification of resignation from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, and registration as a member of the All Progressive Congress, APC, I wish to formally cross-carpet to the APC today, 15th May 2025. In view of the above, and being mindful of the restrictions for strangers to attend meeting of the House, as detailed in Order 10 Rule 7 of the Standing Orders of the House, I wish to formally request for your kind permission and approval for leaders of my new party and the APC to attend the cross-carpeting session. The details of the relevant persons are as follows. Senator Bashiru Ajubala, the National Secretary of APC, who is the leader of the delegation, accompanied by Alhaji Suku Tajuddin Lawal, Osun APC State Party Chairman. We also have Alhaji Kamaruddin Adebisi, who is the APC State Secretary. We also have Alhaji Kudirat Fakokunde, who is the APC Women's Leader in Osun State. We have Comrade Goke Akinweyumo, the APC Youth Leader. We also have Honorable Israel Ajibola Famurewa, former member House of Reps, and Honorable Soladue Olushola. Mr. Lukman Akindije, Mr. Ogunshola Moruf, Alhaji Idris Oyeleke, Mr. Adeolu Olariwanju, Mr. Abdurrashid Muidin, Mr. Adebayo Adewale, Dr. Barrister Adekule Oladipo, High Chief Ogunsanya Imiola, Boshrun Omojo Tayo, Honorable Aboge Olale, Honorable Oloba Israel, Honorable Ajibola Ademola, Barrister Nathaniel Ojo, High Chief Ajiwale Benga, Honorable Ogunsanya Sukanmi, Honorable Olide Omoni Adeshina, Honorable Oyebanji Oyewale, Barrister Wale Ojo, and lastly, Omuba Dotun Babaemi. I want to thank you, Mr. Speaker, for your kind support and anticipated approval of my request. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and kindly accept my usual highest esteem and regards. Yours faithfully, signed, Honorable Oluwale Oke. Honorable colleagues, today, 15th of May, is the day of history. History not only in the National Assembly, but history in the politics of Osun State. One of the biggest among us is identifying with the greatest party in Africa. And I'm sure both the opposition and the majority will be excited to applaud this very, very important decision he has taken. So, honorable colleagues, appreciate our new member. Congratulations. Please start with the opposition table. Get a handshake before you come to the majority. Honorable Alijensi, I can see you looking very happy. For me, is coming from Honorable Kabiru Al-Hassan Usman Rurum, member representing Rano Bunkure Kibia Federal Constituency of Kano State, and the Chairman House Committee on Air Force. And the subject matter or the title of his letter is Notification of Change of Political Party Membership. With your kind permission, I will read his letter. He said, I write to formally notify you and the honorable members of my decision to switch my political party membership from the new Nigeria People's Party to the All Progressive Congress, APC. This decision follows the directives of my constituents who are dissatisfied with the leadership crisis, litigation and factional disputes within the NPP, which threaten the political future of its members. As it is today, the NPP has two separate national and state officers of the party. I appreciate the NPP for providing me the platform to be in this chamber before the unfortunate division that has now factionalized the party. This decision is in accordance with Section 68, subsection 1G of the 1999 Constitution, as amended, for your guidance and records. Be rest assured of my commitment to the 10th Assembly, the APC-led government at all levels, and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda. Please accept the assurances of my highest regards. Yours faithfully, Right Honorable Kabiru Al-Hassan Usman Rurum, Turakirano, and Chairman House Committee on Air Force. Congratulations, our dear brother. Welcome back home. APC has been your home. You are welcome back. Good to have you back. I also want to read the letter of Honorable Abdullah Sanurogo, member representing Karaye Rogo, Kano State. Okay, I thought, okay, let's finish it. Congratulations. Good luck in our party. We're sure you are going to do better. And you look better. Congrats. Congrats. So, honorable colleagues, as I was saying earlier, I have a letter from Honorable Abdullah Sani Rogo. With your kind permission, I will read the letter. He said, notification of my decision to defect to the All Progressive Congress, APC. I'm writing to officially inform you of my decision to defect to the All Progressive Congress APC effective 24th April 2025. After careful considerations, I have come to realize that the NNPP's current trajectory, marred by internal conflicts, disrespect, and exclusion of key stakeholders, no longer align with my values and principles. The party's division and factionalization at national and state levels allow me under Section 68, subsection 1G of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as amended, to defect to any party of my choice. Following consultations with my constituents, I have concluded that defecting is the best course of action. I'm joining the APC, a party that resonates with my values and principles. I appreciate the opportunities I've had in NNPP and thank those who supported me. May Allah guide us all. Thank you, signed, Honorable Abdullah Zarogo. Honorable colleagues, our newest member of APC in this chamber is no other than Honorable Abdullah Zarogo. Honorable Zarogo, congratulations on behalf of both the opposition and the majority parties here.
Congratulations, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, point of order.
It will be noted later. Joseph, give me some few minutes. You will have the floor. Mr. Speaker. My dear brother, congratulations. Congrats. Welcome to APC. Let me be your party. In the words of the Kano House, they say you are going for Tirana, you are and who do you think that I should hand you over to? The man on your left. Somebody is asking that I should hand you over to. Congrats. Thank you. Honorable Allegiancy, the minority leader of the House, you have the floor. Say it with precautions.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. My very respected honorable colleagues. Mr. Speaker, I believe, order, whip, let them take their seats.
Vote.
I will declare your seats vacant. Order.
Leader minority with this, you are not well recognized by Mr. Speaker, sir.
We want attention.
I think it's better you continue speaking under this kind of condition. Go ahead.
No, Mr. Speaker,
we are hearing you.
I need a conducive environment.
No, there is now. I can hear you. Please go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, my very respected honorable colleagues. I remain Ali Isa JC.
Honorable JB, are you feeling feverish? We have a doctor around now. We can give you some drugs. You are looking so haggard. Are you okay?
Mr. Speaker, my very respected honorable colleagues, I remain Ali Isa JC, PhD, representing Balanga Billiri Federal Constituency. I am from Gombe State, and I am the minority whip of the House of Representatives. Mr. Speaker, I am coming under constitutional order, Section 68 of our Constitution. Mr. Speaker, Section 68 clearly stated that if a member of the House of Representatives or Senate, order, Mr. Speaker, nobody is listening. Not only you, I want to Mr. Speaker, Section 68 of the Constitution clearly stated that if a member of the Senate or House of Representatives and he was elected under a political party, if he's elected under one party and decided to move to another political party, Section 68G clearly stated that the House shall declare his seat vacant, provided his defection is still within the period of his election. He was elected for 4 years under a platform from another party, and he decided to move to another party. So, Mr. Speaker, I rise to call on the Speaker to do justice by declaring the seat vacant.
Thank you, Minority Leader. But I want to draw your attention to the two people we benefited last week, and whether you also get up and decide the same constitutional provisions. And I think the circumstances behind the defection is no different from this. So I think charity begins at home. I want to hear you saying that you disown them because they did not follow the right constitutional process. But thank you for what you have said. It is noted. Thank you so much for your contribution. The National APC Chairman, can we please have a check, and then we can excuse you to go back to your respective destinations. The National APC Chairman and your contingent, please, you can approach the chair. Honorable Allegiance, if you want to support them, you can also join the queue. Or any of your members, particularly Honorable Jonathan Gaza. I think you will be the most appropriate person to support our chairman here. Excellency.